think with today's judgment, the Goa BJP has lost the battle of perception for 2022. In effect, it has actually lost the municipal election, which they wanted to say was the semi-final for 2022. And they have vindicated our stand that the BJP in Goa cannot win any election without cheating. भ्रष्टाचारी जनता पार्टी म्युनिसिपल इलेक्शनां रीग करून सोदताली with its anti-woman, anti-ST आणि anti-minority ideology. आता प्रमोद सावंताचे एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन जे आयले from its very inception in March 2019, it has only engaged in chicanery to fool Goinkars. Today the doors of justice have put a stop to these chicaneries of the Sawant administration, and the High Court judgment with the municipal reservation is actually a defeat of the BJP and defeat of the Sawant administration, and also a defeat of the extra constitutional authority which has tried to bulldoze the constitution. Attempt was done to undermine the judgment of the Honorable High Court and the provisions of the constitution as well as the legislation, which is the Municipal Act, by the fascist administration of Pramod Sawant. आता हे चिकानेरीज म्हणजे हांवें म्हणल्या एक एक चिकानेरी हांव मातसो तुमकां आउटलायन करता. So this is going to be a little lengthy press conference. First chicanery is with regard to the Zilla Parishad election. Zilla Parishad electionan कितें जालें? रिजर्वेशन आणि डिलिमिटेशन नोटिफिकेशन फक्त एक दीस आसतना बिफोर द इलेक्शन शेड्यूल कुड बी डिक्लेअर्ड तांणी डिक्लेअर केलें. खंयच्याच गोंयकाराक हायकोर्टाक पेटिशन करून न्याय मेळपा खातीर वचपाक चान्सूच नाशिल्लो. ऑल्दो देर वर ब्लेटंट कॉन्स्टिट्युशनल अँड स्टॅट्युटरी वायलेशन्स. म्हणटकच हायकोर्टान एक ऑर्डर दिली 11 डिसेंबर 2020. तातूंत they have made strong observations of the violations of the statutory provisions by the government. However, they could not interfere despite the violations because the election was already notified. High Court exposed the state administration, but आणि एक ताणी पॉइंट केलो की देर शुड बी अ रोटेशन पॉलिसी फॉर रिजर्वेशन. आणि स्टेट एडमिनिस्ट्रेशनाक सांगले की 2 महिने पयलीं ही पॉलिसी हे जे तुमचे रिजर्वेशन आहा शुड बी नोन टू द पीपल इन एडवांस. दिस इज वॉट द ऑर्डर ऑफ द 11th of December 2020 सेज. आमकां दिशिल्लें की म्युनिसिपल एडमिनिस्ट्रेशनान हे अशेंच करतले म्हणून वी अप्रोच द हाय कोर्ट इन सुजय लोटलीकर वर्सेस स्टेट ऑफ गोवा केस, and we sought a direction that reservation and delimitation notification should be at least 4 weeks in advance before the schedule of elections. High Court, upon the statement by the state, said that at least 3 weeks in advance of the election schedule a reservation and delimitation येवपाक जाय. आता दुसरी चिकानेरी म्हणटी अशी की हो हायकोर्टाचो जजमेंट अंडरमाइन करपा खातीर गेले असेंब्ली सेशनान सरकारान सेक्शन 10 ऑफ द म्युनिसिपॅलिटीज एक्ट ऑफ 1968 हे अमेंड केलें आनी म्हणलें की नोटिफिकेशन फॉर रिजर्वेशन should be only 1 week in advance. High Court एक साइडीन सांगता 3 आठवडे म्हणून हायकोर्टाक अंडरमाइन करपा खातीर आनी कायदो हाडलो. आता हे कितें आशिल्लें? सो अशें हाजेर सामकें क्लियर जालें की द सावंत एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन wants to circumvent the mandate of the constitution as well as of the legislation. And therefore my charge is that the executive today is acting completely ultra virus to the constitution by engaging in such chicaneries to fool Goenkars. Third chicanery is that they transferred an IAS officer who was the director of municipal administration and placed a puppet in his name. Why? To cheat in delimitation and reservation. And this post of DMA was converted into from director of municipal administration to Dhond municipal administration. हे केले, क्लियर कट केले. ताका काढलो IAS ऑफिसराक, they kicked him up by making him secretary काय कितें तरी, आणि हे साइडीन Dhond म्युनिसिपल एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन करून उडयलें. आज कितें जालां, सरकाराचे जे ऑफिसर आहा हांकां हे पॉलिटिशियनांनी जे सगळी मॅनिप्युलेशनां करूंक लायली ते तांकां राखूंक कोर्टान येतले. Do they save these officers in the court of law? So I think this is a lesson for all the government officials who are acting on behalf of their political bosses. Now the fourth chicanery was that the present petition which has been decided was coming for final hearing on 22nd of February 2021. That very day, the government pulled out the election schedule. Why? So-called Independent State Election Commission wanted to make the petitions infructuous. And the press also carried it. Now notification आयले, सगळ्यांनी न्यूज मारले, हेडलाईन. अरे हे साइडीन ताणे पयले कोर्टान कितें सांगलां, सुजय लोटलीकर केसीन 3 आठवडे म्हणटे मॅन्डेटरी आशिल्ले. हेंय तुमी रिपोर्ट केल्लें, हें तुमी सगळ्यांनी नजरअंदाज केला. कित्याक the chicanery was that on that same day they said they declared the election schedule and this was contrary to mandate of the constitution and the municipal act. So petitionerak कितें उरलें, petitioner जो आमचो आशिल्लो, he is left with no other solace than to approach the High Court to protect, uphold the constitutional principles and pass an order in furtherance of the democratic process, which now the High Court has passed a reasoned order and it has struck down the reservations. Now, what this has proven is that the BJP has scant regard to constitutional provisions. There is a complete breakdown of government machinery in the state, and this is not the first time it is happening. This is the second time it is happening in 2 months. Within 2 months, Zilla Parishad election ne आता हांगा constitutional machinery म्हणटी काबार जाल्ली आहा, and once again it has vindicated our stand that the BJP cannot win other than by cheating and undermining the provisions of the law and the constitution and the High Court. हाजे खातीर हो इलेक्शन प्रोसेसाची मोकरी केल्या, सरकाराच्या तोंडार थापट पडला, बरें सणसणीत थापट पडला म्हणून I think the Chief Minister has no legal or moral right to continue and must resign. Now this current government has turned democracy into an autocracy with a purchased mandate. विकते घेऊन आमदार हाडल्या, ताजेर ही जी लोकशाय आहा ही ऑटोक्रेसी करून उडयल्ली आहा. And they have surrounded themselves with sort of dim-witted advisors from the party who have no understanding of the rule of the law. आता मुख्यमंत्री वता आणि जनता दरबार घेता पार्टी ऑफिसान. म्हाका एक सांग, पार्टी ऑफिसान जनता कशी पावली? अरे जनता दरबार घेवपाक पार्टी ऑफिसान येतले तुझे पार्टी वर्कर. जनता पार्टी ऑफिसान पावली कशी तुजी आणि कशी कळली लोकांक? फाल्यां म्हजेर जर अन्याय जालो, हांव तुजे पार्टी ऑफिसान येतलो म्हणून म्हाका कशें कळपाचें तूं थंय येता म्हणून? हे जे तो करता is basically, I think he has finished that thin line between party and government. So जाला कितें आता, तांकां दिशिल्लें की द एंटायर ओपोजिशन कॅन बी बॉट अँड फिक्स्ड. सो हें जायना, हें आज आमी प्रूव्ह करून दाखयल्लें आहा. आनी अकाउंटेबिलिटी ऑफिसरांचेर पडल्या. म्हणटकर देर इज माय आय एम कॉशनिंग द ब्युरोक्रेसी इन गोवा. डोंट क्रोल वेन आस्क्ड टू बेंड. सामकें चड हाजीगिरी करूंक वचनाकात. कित्याक just because some incompetent and unaccountable office bearers of the party are ordering you. एक केस जाल्ली आहा सांग्यार, in which our party fought that case, where that ward is shown as general in the file. RTI हांव तुका फायल दिता जाल्यार फायलीचेर येता की जनरल म्हणून, नोटिफाय जाल्यार ST म्हणून. लास्टाक कोणाचो जर फोन आयलो. सो हें जें जाता, so incompetent and unaccountable office bearers are taking decisions instead of administrative service cadre. So म्हाका दिसता ऑफिसरांनी चिंतपाक जाय कितें करचें पयलीं सरकाराचें ह्या इलेक्शन इयरान. नाजाल्यार तांचें रिटायरमेंट जातकर पेन्शन वतलें आदवोगादाच्यो फी फारीक करपाक. आनी काय ना, जें पेन्शन मेळपाचें आहा तें पेन्शन वतलें आदवोगादाच्यो फीच फारीक करूंक. आनी चवथें लास्ट म्हणटा तें आमचें मिडिया. पयर एन राम म्हणून जो हिंदूचो आहा ताणें एक एडिट बरयला. तो म्हणटा नाव डेज मिडिया इज बिकम एन आर्म ऑफ द गव्हर्मेंट म्हणून. सो हांव मागतां की द मिडिया इन गोवा, इफ यू स्टार्ट सकमिंग टू एवरी फेक न्यूज एंड पेड न्यूज दॅट इज कमिंग फ्रॉम द BJP, you run the risk of undermining the credibility that you have created over decades. हें जाल्लें आहा कित्याक when the case first was posted in the hearing, सगळी फेत अकॉम्प्ली जाल्ले भशेन इलेक्शन जालें, ऑफिस भरता, तो कोण तो शर्मत रायतुरकार नॉमिनेशन भरता, फोटो पेपरार येता. हें सगळें जालां तांचें. आतां कितें तांचें कितें जालें? दिस वॉज ऑल टू क्रिएट अ सिच्युएशन ऑफ फेत अकॉम्प्ली एंड प्रेशरायज द ज्युडिशियरी. The judiciary has shown that it is independent and it is there to protect the democracy as one pillar of our democracy. Now it's the job of the fourth estate to do this. So finally I would like to thank our legal team, which was guided by senior advocate Atmaram Nadkarni, our lawyer who is the ex-AG Dattaprasad Gawande, and his team that was comprising of Pradosh Dangi, J. Matthew, Gaurav Nadkarni, Akshaya Zogrekar, Amir Jamadar and Ashish Kukkadkar. यांनी आमकां आदार केला म्हणून हांव तांकां देव बरें करूं म्हणून सोदतां. सांगात कितें आहा प्रश्न?
You are asking that the chief minister should step down.
Yes.
What about the officials who did the...
Officials will be taken to task. I have not read the order in entirety. But the way they have made a mockery of the entire election process and the way the High Court has come down upon them, I don't know the order, but the order itself will, I think, encapsulate the action to be taken against the officers who were puppets of these extra constitutional powers who are running the government in Goa today. DEMA became Dhond Municipal Administration. Everybody knows. Let them approach. There is also a scope for somebody else to be ready there for it. And we are not fools. There is also a scope for Pramod Sawant to resign now only and migrate. Then making mockery in the remaining 6 or 8 months by undermining everything for which he will be taken to task eventually.
Why should the government appeal to the Supreme Court using public money when they have done something wrong?
See, this is the government's call. I would say that making public to approach the court in such matters itself is wrong. They forced us to approach the court even when we have gone in a preemptive writ, anticipating that they will cheat. We had gone in a preemptive writ, which is Sujay Lotlikar versus the state of Goa. Even there, in spite of this, they have shameless to continue with their cheating. आता तू म्हाका सांग मरे हे कितें तें घाला तें कहलें वायब्रंटान जे कॅन्डिडेट डिक्लेअर केल्ले ते आतां रिजर्वेशन हालतले आतां खंय वतले ते काय पडते वतले लिडरा म्हऱ्यान चल आमकां हें कर म्हण हे ऑफिसर आनी हे जे लोक पळय धांवतात हांगा थंय तांकां कळपा जाय ते लिडरूय बसल्या पळय तांकां प्रांत तांचे चेंज जाता तांकांय ट्रान्सफर आसता ते मदींच थाणा जर धाडले मागीर थाणा धांवत जस्टीस घेवंक
Will this be an issue in the assembly?
100% it will be not only issue in the assembly, it will be issue in the municipal election. That these people wanted to come by cheating. This Ganja party and this Kolsa party wanted to rig the municipal election by cheating, by undermining constitutional requirement of 33% reservation for women, which is the ground. Our petition challenged three things. One was that women reservation was less than the mandated 33%. Two was that the rotation, principle of rotation for ST reserved constituencies was not maintained here. Three was that entire assembly segment of a municipal council has been given 100% reservation for women. Four was that a ward in Sangin, where there is infinitesimal ST population, was declared ST, just to undermine a person who had become the chairperson of Sangin. So, ह्यो सगळ्यो वस्तू हातूंत एक्सपोज जाल्ले आहा ते हांव मागतां मिडिया कडेन तो जजमेंट बी तुमी वाचचो आनी मुद्दाम हांवें परतो रिफरन्स केला जजमेंट ऑफ 11th December 2020. हो जर जजमेंट तुमी वाचिल्लो आनी पेपरार हाडिल्लो जाल्यार प्रमोद सावंताक मातशी तरी लजेन खंय कोण सांगपाचो की बाबा हें परतें रिपीट करूं नाका म्हणून जिल्हा परिशदेक हें चिटींग करून ते इलेक्शन जिखल्या आनी जिखून सांगला की ना आमी कोळशा खातीर तें हें म्हणून मॅन्डेट फॉर द लिनियर प्रोजेक्ट्स मॅन्डेट फॉर कोल दिस इज नॉट मॅन्डेट दिस इज चिटींग दिस इज रिगिंग ऑफ इलेक्शन्स बाय फ्रायटनिंग द पब्लिक दॅट देर इज कोवीड ऑल अराउंड एंड नोईंग टेलिंग युअर वर्कर्स द होल प्रोसेस.
High Court order. Now reservations will change. The entire reservation may change. Now
has to change.
So reservation will
change. Yeah.
Now, do you see to this that co-opted external election लढवपाचे आहेत थोडे municipalities, or you will still there has to be unity?
What is that?
Collective municipal election मडगांव खातीर लढवपाचे अजूनही रिझर्वेशन चेंजेस जावं
ना रिजर्वेशन चेंज जावं कितें जावं प्रिंसिपल इज व्हेरी सिंपल. We have 3 MLAs for this municipal council. 2 of the MLAs belong to the Congress party. One is the leader of the opposition, the other is a very vocal legislative friend of mine. So we 3 MLAs know our workers and we have to have independence in our constituency. That's it. So आमी एकल्याच झगडोवपाचें बी तें उलयत ना तें आनी हें कांय मिक्स जायना. दिस इज नॉट पॉलिटिकल, दिस इज लीगल. This is a legal issue and I am exposing the government legally. Politically what we have to do, we'll do. And it remains unchanged. It remains unchanged.
You were also part of the government.
Yes. There were no elections when I was part of the government, which has been rigged.
No, they were, I think you were there for 2 years
Yes.
in the government.
Yes.
What is the experience of the bureaucracy? Were they not crawling that time, or they were only?
No, they were.
Now
They see the bureaucracy had faith in Parrikar because Parrikar knew what he was telling them to do. These people have an allergy to talent. Pramod Sawant, I don't call him doctor. दोतोर असो दिसना तो फातर असो दिसता पयलींच्यानूच. ताका कोणाकूय ज्ञान आशिल्लो मनीस तकली आशिल्ले मनीसूच ताका नाका एलर्जी आहा ताची. सो ताका एडवायज करपी मनीस असलेच मेळटा. कितें एडवायज आहा तांची लेटस्ट आतां आमचे कडेन मेजॉरिटी आहा जगपात कायदो बिदो कांय ना सगळ्यांक आमच्यान हें करूं जाता कित्याक आमचे कडेन मेजॉरिटी आहा. सो आमी तांकां दाखोवन दिल्लें आहा दॅट मेजॉरिटी इज नॉट एवरीथींग एंड दॅट मेजॉरिटी इज मॅन्युफॅक्चर्ड मेजॉरिटी. इट इज बॉट विकती घेतिल्ली बॉट्स म्हणून येतात जाणा सोशल मिडियाचेर ते विकते मेळटात ते एड करीत आसता ते मोदी दिसलो लागले 1000 बॉट्स ते बॉट्स हे ते बोट आमदार हाडल्यात, ते बोट आमदारांक घेवन गोंय चलोवंक शकतात न्हू थोडे दीस. ब्युरोक्रेसीक सांगता न्ही तुका पर्रीकार जेन्ना तांकां कितें सांगतालो तेन्ना ब्युरोक्रेसीक खात्री आसली की तो सांगता तो तांकां कवर करतलो म्हणून, आनी तो कित्याय सांगचो ना म्हणून. हे कित्याय सांगता ताका तूं चीत मरे आतां फायलीचेर एक नोटींग आहा, नोटिफिकेशनाचेर दुसरें आहा. तो विसरलो घालपाक आनी चॅक करपी मनीसूय विसरलो. ते स्टेट इलेक्शन कमिशन म्हणून आहा पळय तो लाचार मरे तो स्टेट इलेक्शन कमिशनर आहा. ताका कॅटेगरी आहा. तो रिटायरमेंटाक हांगा गोंयांत आयिल्लो आहा दिसता म्हाका. ही इज अ सेक्रेटरी ऑफ द गव्हर्मेंट मरे कोण तरी पावर सेक्रेटरी काय कितें तरी कोण तो चुका राम गर्ग काय कोण ताची असेंब्लीन काडटा पळय हांव भायर सारकें चेंज फॉन्ट मारून धांवडावंक जाय. चेंज करपाचो कसलो फॉन्ट मारून धांवडा पाहिजे गोंयच्यान. असले लाचार ऑफिसर गोंयांत आमचे गोंयचे नांव पसून काबार करतात. गोंयकार कोण करचो नासलो हें ताका मेळत तसले असले
लास्ट टाइम आशिल्लो पेटमेंट वितोडून
कोण तोच न्ही आशिल्लो तो आतां दिल्ली वचून भितर पडलो पळय मरे तूं. हांची कॅटेगरी लोकांची हांचे चीफ सेक्रेटरी थंय वता आनी भितर पडटात. म्हणून हांव सांगूंक सोदतां गोंयचे ऑफिसरांक आनी हे पुलीस बिलीस हे कितें उगी रेडी मारता ते तुमचें पेन्शन वतलें आदवोगादाच्यो फी फारीक करूंक हें तकलेन दवरा. आनी आमी कोर्टान आतां गेल्ले आहा हे वर्स कोर्टानूच धाडपाचें आमकां. आमी सारकें दोळ्यान तेल घालून पळोवन सोदून आहा कोण खंय वता तो. दे शूड बी रेडी टू फेस द कोर्ट. तांचो एजी जो आहा पळय आय विल एप्रोच द सुप्रीम कोर्ट आले पळय कोणा कडेन दादागिरी करता कसली एप्रोच सुप्रीम कोर्ट काय ना. ते स्टे मागली ताणें हाजेर ती स्टे भायर उडयली. भायर कित्याक उडयली because that was another way of undermining the electoral process. So I am telling you, the BJP is the egg on its face. They have nothing to show, and they have been proven to be cheaters, and we will expose these cheaters unitedly as best as we can. And those who are not coming together will also be exposed as paid chamchas of these cheaters. हय सांग.
आता तुम्ही काँग्रेस गोवा फॉरवर्ड आणि राईट माइंडेड पार्टी
हय
म्युनिसिपालिटी इलेक्शन आणि कमिंग असेंब्ली इलेक्शन एकठांय येवपाक काय व्हडली म्युनिसिपालिटी इलेक्शनां.
अरे कितें आहा सेमी फायनल म्हणटात ते कित्याची सेमी फायनल 2022ची सेमी फायनल. हातून कितें जावपाचें आहा म्युनिसिपालिटी म्हजे कडेन म्युनिसिपालिटी आसली मरे आनी नाक घश्टिले उडोवपाक उडयले म्हाका परती आमचीच म्युनिसिपालिटी येतली ती काय जावचें ना हांचें. आनी एक एक वॉर्डान हाडून एक एक मंत्री बसोवनी हे मंत्र्यांक नाका जातलें. हांचे कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीन वचूंक पावचें ना. आमी करून दाखयल्लें आहा स्टार्ट केलां आमी ह्या दिसांनी. आमी भिना आतां कळ्ळें तुका न्ही कित्याक आमी काम केल्लें आहा आनी हे उगीच कितें काणयो सांगून हांगा इलेक्शन जिखूंक शकना. No. No, I am consistent with my stand that Zilla election should not be fought on party lines, and therefore we will not fight the election. But we would want that the BJP gets defeated because it remains a party of cheaters, especially after the judgment of 11th December 2020. All the more reason for Navelkars to reject the BJP, which is the party of cheaters. Naturally, Congress is our natural ally when it comes to against fighting against BJP. I don't think there is a better candidate other than the Congress candidate, who I don't know whether is finalized, but Congress happens to be an alternative. There are also the sitting MLAs of the Congress. So, sitting getting is normally a formula. So, कळ्ळें तुका न्ही 2022ची सेमी फायनली आमी एक जाल्या. उद्देश फायनल जिखपाचो. फायनलीक एक जावंकूच जाय. आमीच न्ही सगळे गोंयकारवादी शक्ती ज्यो आहा त्यो एक जावंक जाय सावंतवाडीच्या सरकाराक घरा धाडपाक.
काँग्रेस प्रेसिडेंट म्हणटा की ओनली फॉर मडगांव.
ते बरें ते काँग्रेस प्रेसिडेंटाचे आमी सांगना. काँग्रेस प्रेसिडेंट खंयचो रे तो गोंयचो